Dental College of Regional Institute of Medical Sciences, RIMS Imphal, has once again made Manipur proud by securing a place among the top 2 best consistently performing dental colleges in India during the World Oral Health Day (WOHD) 2025 celebrations. The recognition comes from the Ministry of Health and Family Welfare, Government of India. This marks the 3rd consecutive year, 2023, 2024, and now 2025, that RIMS Dental College has earned this prestigious national honor for its exemplary contribution to oral health awareness and public outreach. In line with this year's WOHD theme, "A happy mouth is a happy mind," the college conducted a month-long campaign from March 20 to April 20, featuring a mass rally, cyclothon, free dental camps, competitions, skits, and awareness sessions across various communities. The Department of Pediatric and Preventive Dentistry spearheaded the initiative with strong support from faculty, staff, and students across departments. This remarkable achievement was made possible under the leadership of Director of RIMS, Professor G. Sunil Kumar Sharma, Medical Superintendent, Professor N. Sanjip, and Principal of Dental College, RIMS, Professor B. Pravin Reddy. RIMS authorities extended heartfelt congratulations to the entire dental team for their unwavering dedication and hard work that have established the college as a national leader in oral health promotion.
Handak chahi all India level la RIMS ki dental college na Minister of Health and Family Welfare ki makhada to World Oral Health Day ki competition da second consistent performer hoina tagi basida kogi RIMS ki administration side tagi dental college ko koina prestigious award achieve pura kogi thagat ba ponglok chari handak ki sida exception yam fajaba point di consistently performing dental college chidi da koina second ni tari aduna yam chawbo improvement ama kogi dental college gi effort tagi RIMS ki mai pak pasi national level da lakre